Tiwari is all set to move a motion against One Nation, One Poll, and Jairam Ramesh of the Congress Party saying that this ONOP is not for constitution amendment but to change the entire constitution. So clearly the grand old party sticking to its stance that this is not going to be an amendment to the constitution. It will be in fact changing or overhauling the entire constitution. Let's also listen in to what Jairam Ramesh has to say.
हम इस विधेयक का कड़ा विरोध करते हैं, संविधान के खिलाफ मांगते हैं। वो संविधान की मूल ढांचा जो है, बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर जो है, उसके खिलाफ है। लोकतंत्र को हटाने के लिए, लोकतंत्र को चुप करने के लिए ये चलाया जा रहा है। ये एक तंत्र का तोप है, एक तंत्र का तोप का एक हथियार है, वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन। ये नया संविधान लाना चाहते हैं। ये इनका दोगलापन दर्शाता है, हिपोक्रेसी दर्शाता है। यहाँ माथा टेकते हैं, बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर की का नाम तो लेते हैं, पर असली मकसद क्या है? वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन बिल पहला मील पत्थर है, दूसरा मील पत्थर है इस संविधान, बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर के संविधान को बदलो।
All right, so Jairam Ramesh clearly taking that attack to another direction, which is that because of ONOP, it's in fact a living testimony that the BJP is anti-constitution. Let me quickly bring in Pallavi on that note. Pallavi, you know, the opposition, especially the Congress party, has always maintained that, elections should be held whenever, wherever governments lose public faith.
I mean, one of the main objections, of course, to all opposition parties are having, and we've been all pointing it out repeatedly, is on the grounds that it tinkers with the entire idea of federalism. The Indian constitution is something which has enshrined deeply the idea of federalism, keeping in mind that India has different cultures, different languages, and every region has its own unique lifestyle, which is why every state seeks to maintain that uniqueness and unity in diversity. In fact, that's the cardinal principle as far as India's democracy and constitution is concerned. And to maintain this unity yet in the diversity, that is important that the federal structure remains intact. Jairam Ramesh's objections also comes in on a similar grounds as rest of his India bloc colleagues raise, is that this tinkers with the idea that diversity needs to remain intact, and therefore if you are coming out with ONOP, you're changing the federal structure of the constitution, which means you're bringing about a constitutional amendment which is against what Bhimrao Ambedkar had a vision for our country. In a larger context, moving out of ONOP, Akanksha, that's exactly what the Constitution Day debate is all about. With the opposition parties accusing the BJP of completely breaking down the Constitution, the BJP throwing their charge back at the opposition, and today the introduction of ONOP in Lok Sabha as the Constitution debate will carry on simultaneously in Rajya Sabha, I think is going to give on that added spin to this entire confrontation and the narrative.
Oh, absolutely. And Pallavi, what's going to be interesting is that for one